Greeting to all my students. Here I am my teacher. Today I am going to teach you a computer subject. Today we are going to learn that topic is Introduction to Computer. Before proceeding to our chapter, I would like to give information about ICT. ICT's full form means Information and Communication Technologies. ICT refers to all machines or equipment that allow us to communicate and automate tasks and transfer information to digital form. So, ICT includes all the machines. Introduction. What is machine? What are the different types of machines? What is a computer? Uses of computer. So, that we see in day to day in a routine. Let's discuss about machine. We see many things around us like television, mobile phones, air conditioner. Man-made means what? Car, fan and television. So, we see many things around us in a daily. Natural, tree, sun, birds and animals. So, similar way, there are different types of machine. Some of them need electricity and some need human power, while some of them fuel, diesel or petrol to work. Do you know what is a machine? Machine that work on electricity are like a television. Machine that work on electricity. At first we take a look different example of a machine that we see day to day in routine. Now this is a television. It is a machine and it needs electricity to work. We watch cartoon and movie on television. This is a refrigerator. It's also machine. It uses electricity to work. We use refrigerator to keep food and drinks cold and fresh. Third picture is a toaster. It is also machine. It also needs electricity to work or power. We use to toaster to toast the bread. This slide shows us machines that needs manpower to work. What is the first picture? Bicycle. Yes. Now you must be thinking, how is the bicycle is machine? Yes, bicycle is a machine, but it uses manpower to work. We use bicycles to go to places that are not very far. Now this is sewing machine and it is a machine and it uses manpower to work. We use sewing machine to stitch clothes. Third picture of a scissor. It's a machine but it requires manpower. We use scissor to cut the paper. Machine that needs fuel to work. What do you see, children? Yes, it is an aeroplane. It is a machine but it uses fuel like petrol or diesel to work. The next picture is a ship. It is also machine. What does aeroplane and ship have a common? Yes, they both are carry passenger one place to another. How do machine help us in day-to-day life? In this way, machine help us in many different ways. Some of them help us do work quickly. whereas other makes life more comfortable and fast. Machine does not work on their own. They need energy or power to work. As we saw, some of them need electricity, some of them need fuel, while some needs manpower to work. Do you know what is the meaning of a word computer? Listen carefully. The word computer comes from computer, which means to calculate, to count, to sum up, or to think together. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device or machine. It can process huge amount of data very quickly. So computer is a smart machine. Let us discuss in the next slide how computer is a smart machine. Do you know why we call it a smart machine? It is because of its special qualities. So qualities means feature. First one, work on electricity. It means computer needs electricity to work. Speed, computer works very fast and it saves our time. Accuracy, computer can do mathematical calculation which is always correct and it never make mistakes. Multitasking, it can do many things at a time, like we can do drawing and listen to music together. Store information. Store information. In computer, we can store many files and it can store lots of information. So, computer never get tired. Computer uses to listen music, play games, type a document, send email, to calculation and use the internet to search the information. We can use computer to watch a movie and chat with the friends. Even we can draw a picture in the computer. A computer is used in many places. Home, banks, hotels and supermarkets, hospitals, railway station, airports means transportation, space technology, defense, offices and in designing, theatre and in making film, in education. So computer use in various fields. A computer is used at home for home budget means keeping track of monthly expense, storing addresses and telephone numbers. Entertainment means watching movie and cartoons. Chatting, you can chat with your friends across anywhere in the world. Computer game and working from home. Computer use in banks to maintain accounts, to print bank statements or passbook of accounts holder and online banking operating ATMs. Computer use in hotels and supermarkets. In hotels for maintaining records and preparing bills. Computer are used in supermarkets to calculate and making bills quickly without mistakes, to find out the price of goods, to keep sales and purchase records. Computers are widely used in hospital to diagnose and cure patients, and they are also used in eye testing, in surgeries and preparing medical and pathological reports to maintain the medical records of patients for future reference. Computerized machines helps our manufacturing medicine. Computer helps in transportation, in railway station and airport. Computer helps in giving information about ticket, reservations and bookings, and giving information about the arrival and departure timings of the train and aeroplanes. Computer keeps all the records of the passenger. In space technology used to monitor and control space equipment and satellite. Satellite also link to computer which is provide information space research. Satellite also helps to predict the weather pattern. Satellite transfer information from space to computer on the earth. Space shuttles and rockets are controlled by computer. Computers help in launching of missiles in defense and keeping records of criminal. Even computers help in constructing weapons and controlling their functions. Even computer establishing communications links between the soldier and their commanders through satellites. Computers used in offices for the following reason: to create files, to make design of project, to send and receive message means email, to maintaining office records. Computers are used in design field, architecture design building on computer, engineer design car or aeroplane, etc. on computer. Dress designer design dress on computer. At theatre, we have seen that computer used for online tickets and preparing bills. In filmmaking, we are using computer by creating animation. Animation means what? Animation is a technique of giving an object the appearance of movement by rapidly running a series of images of the object or character. Even special effects means such as the sequence of a battle, an earthquake or a fire can be created by using computer. Robots are human like machine guided and controlled by computer. Robots can go dangerous places and can explore the planet also. Robot help to scientists to handle the dangerous chemical and robot helps to doctor. In education, how computer help us? Teachers, students and non-teaching staff use computer. Online study materials or view instructional material on the smart boards. For teacher, online search teaching material and students data and library books, report cards. In school we have seen teaching learning process. Teacher and student use computer and library also use computer to maintaining the database which books are available in library. Even keeping the records of issues and returns book. Summary. Summary means in short what you have learned in this lesson. Computer is an electronic device or machine. Computer is a man-made machine. It needs electricity or power. A person who uses a computer, it is called user. The computer is a type of machine that can do many things. Computer saves and stores all work. Computer uses in various fields. Now fill in the blanks. First one, dash help us do things faster. Parents or machine? So answer is machine help us do things faster. Second, dash is a machine that is used inside the house. Options are there, cycle, oven. Correct is oven is a machine that is used inside the house. Third, and dash machine is a banking machine. Options are there, automatic or ATM. So correct answer is that ATM. An ATM machine is a banking machine. Question number 2. Rearrange the letter to form a word you learn in this lesson. So letters are there, E, O, P, C, R, T, U, M. So here you can make the word computer. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer the question. First one, computer is used at a shop for option is there, making art, generating bills, writing poems. So correct answer is generating bills. A computer is used at school to drink water, solve some, pay bills. So answer is there, solve some. In offices, computer used to book tickets, send emails, make report cards. Offices use only send emails. At railway station, a computer is used for watching movie, booking tickets, drawing picture. So correct answer is booking tickets. In hospitals, computers are used to eye tests, watch movie, book tickets. What is the answer? Eye test. Homework. Draw any two machines that you find at your home. Second, write 3 or 4 ways to use computers. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood.